Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we're gonna do the transmission oil on 2005 Subaru Sti. Transmission oil, mine smelled really bad, so I wanted to get it done. I finally got it done, and I thought it was a T70 on mine, but no, it's actually 21 bolt, regular bolt 21, and the rear was a 14. I used the Lucas oil. I thought it was pretty good. I like it. And my oil smelled really bad, so it smelled up a whole garage of that burnt oil. Alright, man, well, here's the video. You're gonna need a 14 for the back of the transmission, and you're gonna need the transmission main bolt is 21 and 14 for the rear bolt. This is for the STI Subaru 2005. There's my bolt for my transmission right there. And here's the 14 mm bolt for the rear of the transmission. Got a little bit of the shavings in there. Just a little bit. Just right there. Because the oil smells really bad. Transmission plug to check the meters right behind the turbo. Right there. And you get your gear oil filters stuck in there. 3 quarts. That's what it takes.